100. 110. It's 130. It's fast. You know what's so crazy? So I got the i4 M50. So this is pretty much the i4 with the M package. I will put up the specs here. That Z4 sound good. Wow. This is nice with the key. Wow, look at that. Look at those screens. Wow. Harman Kardon system. Got a blue start-stop button. Nice. Look at that. Very nice. Got my water bar. Should go smooth everything. I got everything I need. I like how the button is blue. The start, stop button. Yeah, that's cool. I got your water bottle. The carbon fiber. I love it. He was like, it ain't actually carbon fiber. I was like, I figured.
You say what?
He told me that it wasn't actually carbon fiber. I was like, I figured.
Oh yeah, but it looks cool though.
Yeah. And you can like, you can definitely keep it. Yeah, you definitely.
It's good quality, for sure.
Damn, look at this screen.
New iDrive 8.
No,
it's nice.
Of course, it ain't no power shutter.
No, carbon fiber, trying to make it look sporty.
All right. Wow. Where we going?
Just go around all the way out this way.
Wow. That regenerative braking. Oh, yeah, I remember that from the Tesla. Also, like you can drive with one pedal.
Right. Yeah. Now I couldn't figure out how to turn it off. I didn't go through it. This menu is kind of complicated, but I mean, I guess you get used to it after a while. If that's your thing, one pedal driving.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh, it moves.
It's moving.
It moves.
You're waiting on it. I see how you got your head. It's moving.
Yeah, it definitely moves.
It's moving.
This is. I think this car can keep up with an M4 off the line, but you know, once it passes like a certain speed, I think the M4 will take it.
You went this way, or?
Yeah, you just go right on.
Let me see if I can get a good lunch. Definitely gotta get one of those.
But you got more space to do it on some other roads. You ain't gotta do it right here.
That's 60.
Yeah, make a actually make a right. Okay. It's crazy to hear no sound, but you look down at the actual speedometer and it's like, damn.
You already know I'm a test driver. I'm a test driver. I'm glad I hope they ain't looked up my videos. I'm going, man. I'm going. Golly, what?
Hey man, it's crazy.
You can feel it start to die out.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying. Yeah. Off the line is.
Yeah, off the line is crazy. It throw you back for sure.
They handle pretty good too.
I wish they would have added the sounds in this car, like the i7.
Then
it has the sound, so it makes noises through the speakers as you're driving it. You know, so it does make it sound, you know what I'm saying, like something's happening. But this one is just, you know, quiet.
Oh, you were telling me to go that way?
Yeah, we supposed to turn right now. Hey, I forgot to tell you, man, my bad. You got the UE around.
He recognized you? Was that you remember him?
Who's that? The guy I just talked to?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't. They do have another guy here that I know, but not him. He just talks a lot. You know, he was like, man, you know, talking about some of the cars.
Camel crawler. It's good, but it ain't as what I thought it was going.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like for regular everyday driving, this is
It's comfortable.
It's just no noise.
Like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, as a daily driver, I can understand why people would pick this. You know, commute through the city. It's real quiet. It's solid. You definitely can pass anybody up getting on the freeway.
Yeah, but after 50, I mean it's still pulling. But
Yeah.
after 50, it kind of dies. Like that feeling goes away.
Yeah, go right. Are you in sport? Or are you in comfort? Okay,
Nah,
there
I'm
we
in
go.
sport boost.
All right, there we go. So let's see what it's gonna do on this road.
I'll make sure I'm recording. All right. Oh yeah, we moving. Oh, that's kind of hey.
That's good for any person who would like, yeah, honey come fast.
I definitely got some pickup, but it sways.
Yeah, that's what I did. Now that's something I did notice. The handling is not really great for me. I'm gonna be honest.
Nah,
Like this is not. It feels more.
The steering, like when you turn in, it feels like BMW, but
It's not as stable as some other models though. For sure.
yeah, what is that? Like it even turned by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I noticed that too.
Like it got torque steer. Like it's all-wheel drive, right?
It's all-wheel drive, yo. You can actually make this next right. It's all the way down.
So we ain't clean counter.
Yeah, oh man, I done came through a few times, but I be watching though. You know what I'm saying? I had on Waze at first.
I got a radar detector.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Well, I'm in my Mustang, but I should have brought it here. But I feel like they would have seen that. They would have.
It's all the way up there. But you'll see. You'll learn the route after a while. Hitting it a few times.
It's not at the end of this.
It's right here. It's right here.
Look at they looking.
Yeah, that's also it's a good lunch.
All right. That's a 100. 110.
Brakes are great. Typical BMW brakes.
The impact. Yeah, that weight. That's when the weight take apart. Yeah. So that was 130 coming into the corner. It's not this one, but it's the.
Yeah, it's a little further up. Not that one either. It's up a little bit more. But it's coming up down the right. You know what's so crazy about this? I think the X7 drives better, to be honest with you.
Really?
Yes. I think the X7 drives better, even though for the size, it's going to be this one right here. Yeah, I prefer the X7 over this.
I'm going to turn it from here.
Yeah. She gonna grip this X drive. It's going to hold.
we had it.
Yeah. Yeah, see, this one ain't even have.
This
like,
ain't bad. It's just the noise.
Yeah,
I miss the pops on the downshift. I'm hitting the pedal trying to downshift over it.
That's why I say for any person who is into electric cars that wants to commute in this daily, this is great. Like it feels great, but it just don't have that BMW emotion. It's just it's fast though. It's over. Actually about to turn in right at that sign. But the thing is, you can go around more than once. Like, they don't trip about that. You can take more than one lap.
Oh, okay.
Hey, do you feel like the way it shakes when you launch?
Yeah. So it was at 96%. Now it's at
89. It's right here. My bad.
No,
you gonna do it one more time?
One more time. Yeah, it's smooth, man. I like how they got the the cutout like right here, but I think that's
yeah. So this is supposed to be the M version of the i4, so it has the M mirrors as well.
It's not a panoramic roof, but it goes back,
Yeah, it's pretty large.
Yeah.
Yep. And it's powered too, so the shade, which is cool.
And you mentioned the Z4. Did you say you got to drive that, or you?
Yeah, I just got out of the Z4, so I definitely recommend that.
Try it in comforts. Yeah. I think that's what it started off in. Comfort. Everything, buttons. Yeah.
It don't seem like it changed suspension much. It seemed like it's about the same in both. Yeah. I didn't feel like it was stiffer in sport.
Steering get heavier. Yeah. And his do stay a little.
Yeah, it is a little bit more. Never mind. I take that back. I do feel it a little more.
I don't lie, AJ. We out here. We out here. I don't like that. That's unstable.
Yeah, it's crazy because BMW, the front tires actually spin a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's not a BMW trait for the front tires to spin just for a little bit. Like this is different.
That electric motor torque is it's crazy. Yeah, it's like you wrestling with it at the beginning, and then it'll start to. Let's touch. Oh, you actually got to press it. That was like
haptic feedback. I feel like the majority of people that buy this, they won't even do this. Like they're gonna be trying to save the battery. So I mean, but still, I get what you're saying. It's a little unstable when you're trying to get off the line.
I do like how they have the power percentage, like kind of like a RPM type thing.
Yeah.
So you press on the pedal. Is it right?
Yeah, that's good.
Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't know if he got his radar on. I can't tell. I think I'm trying to downshift. That's what I do on my thing. Black line. Second. Catch this turn right here. Get one more of them things. I like how launch control is easy.
Yeah, it is. Super easy.
I see. Spin it from 60. It's 100. 110. horse. I know my Mustang is. It's a lot louder.
Brakes are amazing just there.
And I was just, that wasn't even full 4 L's.
Yeah, they great, I would say. They grip this corner like this.
Right,
you can put some speed to the corner. Yeah, man. They hold. It was Pilot. You said Pilot Michigan.
It might. I didn't look. It's not this one's the next one.
Yeah, where that sign's at.
See, nah, I can't do that. I'm reaching for the pedals again, trying to downshift.
Man, it's the future, man. You gotta get used to it.
It's just there's no connection. There's no connection.
This is it.
But this is nice though. I give it this. It's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice car for sure.
I like the Tesla that I reviewed, but I know for me, I need.
What you think about this car tomorrow? Or when you get out of it, that's the thing. It'll make you want to drive it again. To me, it's no. Yeah, it's like, okay, well.
I like all the tech and stuff.
Yeah. The interior is nice. I love it. I love the new iDrive 8. This is very high tech. And when you're not expecting it, it hits you in the stomach. I swear.
I can imagine that plaid.
Oh man, I don't even want to go in that. Oh,
that's another thing. It's a lot of they put cars on the platform. It was nobody haven't rented it yet. And I booked it. He had put it on for $80. I was like, a plaid for $80. Let me go ahead and we're gonna get this. But he had canceled it at the last minute.
Look, he must put the wrong price.
Yeah,
I'm thinking like that, or they have like some promotion or something in the beginning. I don't know.
Nah, you set your price.
Your own price. Okay. Hopefully we can get the X7. Just somebody always took the 760. What time is your thing? 10?
11:30.
Oh, 11:30.
That one got the
that was with the V8. And then they got the i7, the electric one. I haven't driven that one.
I'm saying that one had the
TV.
They got a TV.
Oh yeah, both of them got it. Yeah. It's crazy. I actually haven't played with that yet.
They should have put it in the truck too.
That's what I was thinking, but that's that one's the last generation though.